everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. It feels like it's been forever since I sat down and filmed anything. I have been so busy. We have got a big project going on here, and I've also been quite unwell. I've actually lost my hearing in one ear, so my voice sounds really weird to me at the minute. Apparently I'm talking a lot quieter than I normally do, so right now I feel like I'm shouting, but I don't know. I haven't really filmed for a couple of weeks as I've been quite under the weather. I've had a terrible cough. It's all just been very chaotic, so I'm sorry I haven't been around for a little while. But today I have got some Born Pretty products to show you. First of all, I just want to thank Born Pretty for being so patient with me. I've had these products for a couple of weeks now, and I'm only just getting around to doing my review on them now, but they look like really incredible products. We have got some cat eye products to show you today, and I cannot wait to check them out. So I'm just going to dive straight into the video and show you everything I've got. I really hope you guys enjoy. If you do, please remember to like and subscribe, and other than that, let's have a look at these products. So the first two products I've got to show you today is the Colourful Flowing Spar Magnetic Gel. These look absolutely incredible. I've got two colours here to show you. I've also got these two, which are Colourful Spar Cat Magnetic Gels. Again, these look absolutely incredible. I can't wait to swatch them. And then finally, I have just got one of their normal coloured gels. This is like a burnt orange colour. It is BP03, but I haven't actually got a colour like this in my collection. You would think the amount of gel polish that I've got, I would have all colours under the sun. But no, I don't actually have a burnt orange colour like this, so I'm really happy about this. It's going to be absolutely perfect for autumn. I'm definitely going to be using it a lot over the next couple of months. You can use it for Halloween too. It's a really beautiful colour, so I'm really excited to swatch that and see what that's like as well. I'm going to start off by swatching the BP03 burnt orange colour. So there is 105 colours to this series. Like, there is a lot to pick from. They are really affordable colours as well. They come in 10ml size bottles. They're absolutely beautiful, really good sizes, and they're super affordable too. So like this singular bottle you can buy for £4.32, or in US dollars that would be $5.99. so they are really affordable gel polishes. Like I said, nice big 10ml bottles. And as you can see here by my swatch, they are also very pigmented. Like, this is just one good coat of this one, and well, you know, that's pretty much opaque, isn't it? It's such a gorgeous colour for autumn. I'll pop an image up on the screen of all the different colours that you can get in this series as well. With these gel polishes, you can either cure them under a UV lamp for 2 minutes, or you can cure them underneath an LED lamp for 60 seconds. They are super long lasting. They've got a gorgeous shine to them. They're made of all good ingredients, like healthy, non-toxic ingredients, and all round they are just really nice. As you can see from the bottles, you get this really cute little mini window so you can see what colour it is. This is called the Black Spar series. As you can see, they have got absolutely amazingly gorgeous packaging. Nice matte black bottles. As you can see, you've got the Born Pretty logo like embossed into a bottle in gold. They're really pretty bottles to look at. Really good sizes. A great selection of colours. You've got like normal sort of base colours like this, but you've also got glittery ones too. They look absolutely incredible, both glossy and matte as well. I am just going to quickly whack one more coat on there just to be sure. On natural nails, so you could easily get away with just one coat. Yeah, it's a really gorgeous colour. I know I'm going to be using this a lot throughout autumn. It's getting to that time of year now. I'm going to have loads of autumnal nails coming out. And Halloween. You guys know I love Halloween. Last year, I literally done so many sets of Halloween nails. I always enjoy doing the Halloween nails. Good time to be doing my freehand. I don't know whether I'm going to find much time to do many sets this year, but I'm going to try and do at least a couple. And yeah, I'll definitely be reaching for this one. It'd make a good pumpkin colour, wouldn't it? I absolutely love it. So next up, we are going to try the Colourful Spar Cat Magnetic Gel. These look really nice. They look incredibly pigmented. So this one here is CS06. Look at that colour. They look so nice. I've never seen cat eye polishes like these ones. Then we have got CS02. Look how pretty it is. It's like a gorgeous purple colour. It's so nice. So we're going to do the CS06 first, which is like this sort of pinky reddy colour. These are available in 7ml bottles and they're also available in 9 different colours. They are £4.75 a bottle or £29.48 for the full set of 9. In dollars, I think that's about $6 per bottle and about $40 per collection. As you can see, like I said, they are super pigmented, like really, really, really pigmented. Look at that colour. So what you do, you don't cure anything at this stage. You get your little magnetic stick and look, see the magic happen. They are so fun to play with, and you can just keep playing with it, and you can just keep moving your magnetic stick until you're happy with whatever you've done. Like that, I'm happy with that, but like, look, this is so nice, and you can use these over any colour that you like. I'm going to do them over black and I'm going to show you them over white as well, but I don't really need to say a lot, do I? They are just so nice. But again, you can just cure it underneath your lamp for 60 seconds. So I will try them out over white as well, see how they look on white. I will pop an image up on the screen of all the colours that are available in this set, and I'll also show you some of the designs Born Pretty have done with them as well, because they are so nice. I'm not going to attempt to do any today because it will probably take me ages, but you guys, yeah, just look at them designs. They are so, so, so pretty. It's amazing what you can do with these. They just look incredible. So that's one coat over white. So like I said, really pigmented, really, really, really nice. And then you can just shuffle again. Look at the magic. They're just so fun and they just look incredible. They're so effective. There's like a really easy way of getting your nails just to look really fancy. So we're just going to go in now with the CS02, which is this gorgeous sort of purple colour. It kind of looks multi-chrome actually. It's got like kind of like a bronzy sort of shift to it. It's really, really, really nice. I'm definitely going to be using these on my own nails very soon. I really need to do my nails. As you can see, they look absolutely terrible. I sort of rushed them a bit, and then I've also been doing a lot of sort of bashed them and knocked them and, you know, everyday life. This is the purple. It's very like Cadbury's purple. And then watch the magic happen. Look at that. Just see them, like, they are so, so, so fun to play with. You can get really cool magnetic sticks as well. I've done a review on before. I will link that in my description box at the top of the screen if you'd like to check that out. They are magnetic sticks with different shapes on them, like love hearts and zigzags and stuff. And like these sort of gels are really fun to play with those magnetic sticks, and you can create really, really, really effective nails with them. Okay, and then let's just try this one over white. They actually look really good over the white. I wasn't too sure whether they would or not, because some cat eyes just really don't look very good over white at all. But I really love cat eye polishes. I don't use them as much as I probably should. I've got quite a few. I've got like pastel ones. I've got the multicoloured ones from Born Pretty that I bought about 2 years ago now. I think they were 90 cat eye polishes. I've still got them and I haven't used them in the longest time. But I do love the way cat eye nails look. They're so effective. So again, magic is happening. You see how easy it is as well, like I'm barely going near it, but it's just really working well with my magnet. Ooh, see, it's just so fun. But the particles move really easy in these ones, as you can see. So next up we have got these here, which are the Colourful Flowing Cat Eye Magnetic Gels. I feel like you guys are going to really, really, really love these. These are glittery cat eye gels. My camera does not want to behave itself today, but they're literally glittery. I've never seen glittery ones before. So I'm just going to dive straight in with these. This is CF03. Yeah, I'm really excited about these. They look so fun. They're available in 7 different colours. You can buy them individually for £4.32, or you can buy them as a set of 7 for just under £20. which I think is really good considering what they are. Like that looks really pretty just on its own, doesn't it? Like, look at the coverage with the glitter sparkles. Like, that was really good for one coat. And then you can also use your magnetic stick. Look, so it's magnetic too. Look at that. They're literally the funnest cat eye gels I've ever seen. I think they're absolutely incredible. So I'm going to do this one over the white as well, just like how I did with the other cat eye polishers. But I just feel like Born Pretty are really going to town on all these amazing new products. Obviously, I've been doing nails for a couple of years now, and Born Pretty are coming through with stuff that I've never seen before. In my couple of years of doing nails, I've never seen a glittery cat eye polish. So I don't know how well this is going to work. They definitely will be more effective over a black or a different colour that's not white. But I thought I'd try it anyway, just out of curiosity. It's definitely still working. It's working quite well, actually. But unfortunately, these particular swatch sticks that I've got aren't very good around the apex area. And nothing like sticking to them, as if you watch my channel regularly, you know I complained about loads. But towards the bottom of the swatch stick, you can just see it looks incredible. It really is incredible. I love them so much. So I'm now going to swatch the last one, which is CF06. This one looks so nice as well. It's like a gorgeous sort of blue and silver mix. Look at that coverage. This one coat, obviously they are buildable as well. Like if you're not happy with the first coat, you could go in, you can keep building it up until you get your desired look. I personally feel like I'm pretty damn happy with just one coat. They definitely do work better over the black, these ones. But like, you could put it over any colour like this, would look quite nice over a blue or green. Or silver, or you know, whatever takes your fancy, whatever you like. But you don't just have to use them over black. They look so nice just on their own before you even do the cat eye effect. Alright, so let's go in. They're so pretty. I really like these. See the cat eye effect beneath there. It's a bit hard to see, but it's a really gorgeous sort of blue cat eye effect right there. Okay, and then finally let's give it a go over the white. So again, it looks really nice over the white. Just go with my money. The cat eye effect in that one's quite subtle, but it's definitely there. It's definitely really effective. I'd love to get more colours in this collection. I'm going to go in with this first colour that I've done and just give it another coat over the white, just because I know what my swatch sticks are like. So like I said, it is buildable. I'm just trying to actually get it to stick to the apex there. That's a bit bad. It's probably like galaxy vibes, isn't it? Be perfect for some galaxy nails. Absolutely perfect. Okay, so here we go. That is everything all swatched. I have just given them half and half matte and glossy top coat off camera. I used the Born Pretty matte and glossy top coat. The super top coat is absolutely incredible. It's super glossy, it's super long wearing, you can't scratch it. It is absolutely incredible. And their matte top coat, well, as you can see for yourselves, is truly matte. I absolutely love these. I knew I would. I've been really loving Born Pretty's products. I really haven't had a bad word to say about any of them. They're all really good quality and they are super affordable. So I will leave links in my description box to these products here today if you'd like to check them out for yourselves. I will also leave links to my previous videos on my Born Pretty products that I have done. And yeah, thank you so much to Born Pretty for being patient with me and for sending me these products to try out. I really love them. They are absolutely fantastic. They're so beautiful and I'll definitely be using these a lot on my own nails, I'm sure. Just yeah, look at them. They're incredible. And you can see how the cat eye is even working when it's matte. They're so nice. But anyways, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I do apologise if I've sounded a bit weird throughout this video. I really can't help it. I'm hoping to have my hearing sorted soon. The doctor says something along the lines of a ruptured tube or something going on, but hopefully it should get better in a couple of weeks. Fingers crossed. But yeah, anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, whatever you're doing. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!